Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of appointment. A plan to meet someone at a specific time and place. For example, she made an appointment with my receptionist. The second definition of appointment. A job or position is assigned to someone by virtue of an act of appointing. For example, prior to her appointment as CEO, she served as the company's chief financial officer. American pronunciation. Appointment. Appointment. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Appointment. Say. Appointment. Appointment means arrangement to meet. Appointment. Appointment. Appointment origin. Middle English is derived from Old French appointment. For more information on appointer, see appoint. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The therapist then assigned homework and made an appointment for the next session. Now, repeat after me. The therapist then assigned homework and made an appointment for the next session. The second practice. Students who made an appointment are asked to go back and do so again. Now, repeat after me. Students who made an appointment are asked to go back and do so again.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.